Hi friends, welcome to DataWitzz. My name is Taba. In this video, we will learn about measurement of central tendency. So, what is measurement of central tendency? So, these are those measurements which explains the central tendency. So, let us suppose I have a data set like here. I want to show what is the middle values of this data set. So, we have three different kind of measurement of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. Mean is very simple. Mean is the average of the data set. So to calculate mean, we will sum all the values in the data set like I did it here, then divide it with the total count. So I got my mean for this data set. Now if I wanted to calculate directly by formula, I will use average like here I did. In both the method, I got the same value 86. Means are used in a very means are basically used by all, and it is the most used formula in central tendency. But there are some disadvantages also here, which is the values are very affected by extreme values. Let us suppose I have shown I put 500 here, so it will automatically increase value in a very high quantity. If I select 1, it again decreased my value. Now the quantity, the number of such values are very less, but it impacts the average in a very high magnitude. Now we will talk about median. Median is nothing but it shows the position of a data set. This is just the middle point of any data set when we are ascending it or descending it. So I have used the same data set like I did it here, then I sorted it. If you see, the value is sorted 82, 82, 83. This is in increasing order. So there are two different methods by which we can find out our median. If it is even, then we will take the middle two values like I did it here 85, 86. If the total count in any data set is odd, then we will take just the middle value, whatever come. Like if I have 5 observations in my data set, I will take this value, this one value. But here it is an even, so we will take the middle two values and then we will average it out. So first middle value is 85, second is 87, and then we average it out, so it becomes 86. We can use formula, Excel formula also to find out median. There is a formula which is median. When we will use it, it will give us the same value like we did manually. Now we will talk about our third measurement of central tendency, which is mode. Mode is nothing but it is the number which comes most number of times in our data set. So in this example, I have taken the same data set like in the earlier two examples, and for the convenience to visualize it, I sort it also. So here 82 comes two times, then again 83 comes two times, 84 comes two times, 85 two times, then I see 87 come four times, then 89 two times, 91 and 94 comes one and one time. So the number which comes max is 87. So our median is 87. We can use Excel formula also to find out median. The formula is mod.sngl, and then we will keep our data set here, so it will come the same value like I discussed earlier. That is all for this video. I hope you like this video. Kindly share this video to others also, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.